In this video, I will show you how to turn on print screen button to open screen snipping. So firstly click on start, then settings. Now here click on accessibility. Now here scroll down and click on keyboard. So here you will see the option use the print screen button to open screen snipping. Based on other app settings, you might need to restart your PC to see this change. So turn on and restart your system. So this is the setting and method guys to turn on print screen button to open screen snipping. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.